There he is, folks. Our fearless leader. Connoisseur of adventure. The man himself. Solomon!
In the flesh.
So we are off this morning to Cape Hedo, I believe it's called, and we're gonna go fly some drones. I'm so excited. Solomon has a drone, I have a drone. It's gonna be awesome. Get some cool tropical shots. Then we're gonna go head to another spot. I don't remember where we're going, for snorkeling. I'm so excited. I was looking up all kinds of creatures that we might see. Yeah, Solomon told me about this flightless bird that lives here apparently. I really wanna see one, I hope I do. There's some fish I wanna see. I'm ready for adventure.
So you're crossing the spine into Nagoya.
There's a wild boar sign, look at that! There's Solomon's drone. It's amazing. We're out here. Ah, I can feel the breeze. I'm trying to get mine working right now. So we're watching him fly his. It's so cool. Look at that. Goodbye, little drone. It's a giant bird bum. All right, here we go. This is the Okinawan rail, the flightless bird of Okinawa. Isn't it big? And it just stands so still you'd think it wasn't even real. I'm climbing up inside the bird right now. Ooh, cool. Ah, but look, there's a wild Solomon. Hello. Blue-tailed skink. Look at it, it's so cute and tiny and beautiful. Goodbye, skink. So we're at Solomon's favorite restaurant on the island, right? Favorite restaurant. And we got the strawberry sparkles or sparks? The strawberry sparkles. He got one with ice cream. I got one just with strawberries. That's nice. Your food is so good. All right. It's time to get suited up. Going snorkeling. adventures were had today. Let's see what we've got here.
Did they get mixed up?
Nope. Oh, it looks so good. So we're back in American Village. This is Zhivago's coffee. So excited to try this. Beautiful building, look at that. We got a bike shop in the cafe. Bar, super cool. Stairs. Look at this plant. Plant. Here it is. The Mad Shake. Mad Shake. My first time trying it. We're at the Okinawa Aquarium.
See Dory?
I see dories. Well, big dories. Let's see what else is over here. These are the tops of the tanks. Super cool. Hopefully we'll get to see into these ones later. Ooh, there's some big guys in here. I'm so excited. We're getting ready for the dolphin show, which is about to start in 10 minutes. And the dolphins are getting ready too. I'll show you. There are the dolphins. There's IE Island in the back where we were. We climbed that mountain up there. But look at these guys, they're excited.
It's like a modern take on the elves' palaces.
It is! It totally is like an elf palace. The angles, the glass, the concrete, but I can see it. It's like walking with those tentacles. Wow. Some beach combing and wading in the water. Heart-shaped rocks, look at that. Look at this, we were just in gorgeous sunshine and clear waters, and then we've been driving like 40 minutes, and now we're driving into this storm. All right, we just got back and we're gonna meet some friends for dinner. My challenge is, can I go from this to party nights ready for a brewery in, what do I have, like 20 minutes. We'll see. Made it. Fit check. Okay, we're here at, what's it called?
Chaton Harbor Brewery.
Chaton Harbor Brewery. And we got these little chips. Look at this. Got chips for our orders. And things are looking yummy.
Yep.
I got it from a Japanese marine.
I might get float.
Alright, so I didn't film a lot because a lot happened. My flight got canceled, and long story short, Solomon and I spent, what do you think? We spent an hour
and a half or two.
An hour and a half, yeah, maybe even 2, looking for flights and trying to figure out how to get back to Tokyo because there's a typhoon coming in. So the next flight available is Monday, and I need to be back at work on Monday, and it's Thursday right now. So basically we ended up finding a flight to Incheon in Seoul, South Korea, and so I'm going there, and then I'm gonna have to spend the night and then fly to Osaka the next day, and then I need to still book a ticket to Shinkansen ticket to Tokyo. So it's gonna be a wild adventure, much more than I expected. That's what we're at, and I'm excited to go to Korea. I've never been to Korea, and to technically say I've set foot there is pretty cool. I'm very nervous to spend the night in an airport and have such a crazy adventure because I've never done it before. So that's what's happening. So there's been another change of plans. Solomon spent like all night on the phone with customer service for the airline because they emailed him right after I went to bed that they did not book my ticket to Korea. And so he ended up spending hours and hours researching, trying to find a new flight. And he found a flight to Nagoya. So it's a one-way to Nagoya. I booked a hotel there, and then I'll be taking the train home tomorrow morning. So last morning in Okinawa, walking right by the ocean to Solomon's favorite acai bowl place, and then we're going to eat breakfast and then run some errands and head out. All right, ready? Woo! Beach. Nice and quiet on a Friday morning. So this is crab rescue mission. He was crossing the street. It's not where a young crab should be. So we're taking him back to the ocean. All right, be free, little guy. So when Solomon says it rains in Okinawa, he means it rains. It's hard to tell probably on the video, but it is pounding down. We're using our wipers, but it's like gray and misty out there for sure. Goodbye! All right, I'm here, I'm checked in. It looks like I can carry on both my bags, and I got my omiyage for my friends. I'm gonna go through security now and then go find Starbucks for a nice caffeinated drink and some food. So I got myself some Starbucks, got through security, and I'm gonna eat some food, rehydrate. I'm really exhausted, to be honest, from all the stress last night and this morning of just trying to figure out flight stuff. So I'm really tired, but I feel finally like, okay, everything is good. I'm within sight of my gate. I have 1 hour before the plane leaves. I'm so grateful, really grateful. So I definitely think I'm feeling down, not just because of the stress or the fatigue, but I think I'm also really not wanting to leave. Normally I'm like sad, but okay, it's time for the vacation to end, and I look forward to going home and getting back to a regular pace of life. But for some reason I'm like, I don't want to go back at all. I don't want to resume regular pace. I just want to stay here. So it's a pretty cool place. But wait, my flight only gets me to Nagoya, and then I have to get home after that. And there's still supposedly a typhoon going on. So stay tuned for all of that in the next vlog.